guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Adventure SG. So let's do another interesting word problem on whole numbers. Let's read the question first. Adam, Veena and Devi had an equal number of marbles. Adam packed all his marbles equally into 3 packets. Veena packed all her marbles equally into 6 packets. Devi packed all her marbles equally into 9 packets. 1 packet of Adam's marble, 3 packets of Veena's marble and 4 packets of Devi's marbles add up to 759. How many marbles did they have altogether? Okay, so it's a long question, but what we know here is that all the three people, right, Adam, Veena and Devi, had an equal number of marbles. Okay, 3 people, Adam, Veena and Devi, they had an equal number of marbles, and then Adam packed all his marbles equally into 3 packets. Okay, so Adam packed it equally into how many packets? 3. Veena packed her marbles into 6 packets and Devi packed her marbles equally into 9 packets. Okay, and then we also know that if we take the marbles, if we count the marbles of 1 packet of Adam and 3 packets of Veena and 4 packets of Devi, they add up to 759 marbles. Okay, and we have to find out how many marbles did they have altogether. Means altogether Adam, Veena and Devi. Okay, so the information we have here is that both all the 3, Adam, Veena and Devi, had same number of marbles. So let's try to visualize it a bit. Okay, so this is, let's say, Adam, Veena and Devi. Okay, in how many packets Adam divided his marbles? 3, right? 3. So let's draw 3 packets. Okay, so it's 1 roughly will be dying. They should be equal, almost equal. Okay, but yeah, so let's say these are the 3 packets of Adam. Then Veena has 6, right? So we can say that, okay, these are the 6 packets for Veena. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And how about Devi? She has divided her marbles equally into 9. Okay, so they should be pretty small one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is something how it will look like, right? So since Adam is dividing all her marbles into only 3 packets, this should be like this, the biggest one. Then the Veena is dividing her marbles into 6 and Devi is dividing her marbles into 9 equal packets, right? Now, since they are, all of them can divide their marbles equally into 3, 6 and 9, right, packets without leaving any marbles, like there is no remainder, right? That means the number of marbles each of them having has to be a multiple of 3, 6 and 9. This, the number of marbles each of them having has to be a multiple of 3, 6 and 9. So let's take an example. Maybe let's take 54, right? Because 54 is a multiple of 3, 6 and 9. So let's say in the start all of them were having 54, 54 and 54 marbles each. So what do you think? After Adam has divided his marbles into 3 packets, how many will be there in each packet? They will be 18. That means all of them, each of them are having 18, 18 and 18. How about Veena? Each of them will be having 9 because 54 divided by 6 is 9. So each of them is having 9 marbles. And how about Devi? Since she is dividing her marbles into 9 equal packets, each of them will have 6, right? So it will look something like this, right? Although we don't know how many marbles each of them have, right? But we just know yeah, the number of marbles has to be a multiple of 3, 6 and 9. And we have just taken example to visualize like how it will look like. So you can see that Adam has the biggest packet, right, with 18 marbles each. Veena is 9, and in Devi's packet there are 6. But these are not the actual number. These are just the example to give you, to help you to visualize, right? Now at least from this exercise we know that the number of marbles, the total number of marbles all these three people are having has to be a multiple of 3, 6 and 9. And so let's assume each of them has the least number of the least common multiple of 3, 6 and 9. So what's the least common multiple of 3, 6 and 9? I hope in primary 6 all of you must be very familiar with this. Those who are not, for them we will quickly find out the multiple of 3, 6 and 9 and then the least multiple, right? Least common multiple. So let's write it. So the multiple, let's write it quickly. Multiple of 3 or what? Let's start with 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, so on and so forth. Similarly, multiple of 6 will be 6, 12, 18, and so on and so forth. And then the multiples of 9 will be 9, 18, so on and so forth, right? So if you see carefully, right, what's the least common multiple that 3, 6 and 9 are having? 18, right? 18 is the least common multiple of 3, 6 and 9. So we can assume that each of them had 18 units of marbles, right? What is the number of marbles they had at first? 18 units of marble, right? So let's assume each of them had how many marbles? At least 18 units of marbles, okay, because 18 is the least common multiple. Then assuming each of them have 18 units of marbles, what do you think, how many marbles will be in each packet of Adam? How many marbles will be in each packet of Adam? So Adam's each packet, let's find out. Adam's each packet means each one packet will have how many marbles? See, the total number of marbles he is having is 18 unit, and since he has divided them equally into 3 packets, each packet will have 6 unit, because 18 divided by 3 is 6. Similarly, Veena's each packet will have how many marbles? Calculate it quickly. So it will be, since she has divided her marbles into 6 equal packets, each one will have 3 units of marbles, right? And similarly for Devi's, right? Devi's each packet will have 18 units divided by 9, right? Why? Because she has divided her marbles into 9 packets, right? So each marble will be having 2 units of marble, right? Now what else do we have? We know from here that 1 packet of Adam, 3 packets of Veena, and 4 packets of Devi's, right? So we are taking only 1 packet. We are counting the marbles of only 1 packet of Adam, and we are counting the marbles of 3 packets of Veena, and we are also counting the marbles of 4 packets of Devi, right? They all, after counting, they all add up to 759, right? So how do we count it? Okay, so it's simple. Whatever is written, just let's write it. So 1 packet of Adam, okay, whose packet we are writing here? Adam. Then 3 packets of whom? of Veena and 4 packets of Devi is in total how many? It's 759, right? And one packet, we know that one packet of Adam is 6 unit, right? 6 unit of marbles, right? And how about 3 packets of Veena? See, one packet is 3 unit, so 3 packets will be 3 times 3 units, right? Similarly, for Devi, one packet is 2 units, so 4 packets will be 4 times 2 unit, right? And all this should be equal to 759, right? So if we calculate this, it will be 6 unit plus 9 unit plus another 8 unit, and that will give me 759. So 6 unit plus 9 unit is 15. 15 plus 8 will be 23 units. So let's write it nicely. So it's 23 units should be equal to 759. That means 1 unit should be equal to 759 divided by 23, and that will give me 33, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so you can use calculator to find that. It is 1 unit is 33. Now we know what's the value of 1 unit, so we can easily find how many marbles they were having altogether. See, note that each of them are having 18 units, right? So all of them in total will be having how many units of marble? So total, let's calculate it. So total number of marbles, they will be how many? See, one person is 18 units. So 3 person will be 3 times 18 units, which will give me 54 units, and which should, since 1 unit is 33, so it should be equal to 54 times 33, and that will give me 1782. Okay, there. So altogether they are having 1782 marbles. Okay, so let's write our answer quickly. Okay, so they had 1782 marbles altogether. Okay, so that's the solution of this question. Hope you liked it. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.